Hello, Jackie, how's it going? Really quickly, just wanted to shoot you a video, give you some advice for advertising your business. So it looks like you already have a nice following on Facebook, so that is great. Organic traffic is great for repeat customers and such. Also, I found your Google business listing. It looks like you could still use a little bit of work on this, though. Um, to rank your Google business listing for all the different keywords that you want to be ranking for, such as Fayette, PA home cleaner, Green, PA commercial cleaning company, etc. Those kind of keywords, you want to make sure that you have um, a fully optimized Google business listing. And a couple of things you could do to do that is you want to add lots and lots of photos, at least 25 or 30 photos, and every photo you want to upload named as these kinds of keywords that I was mentioning. Um, Also, you want to have a fully written out business description. Fill out the entire thing, all 750 characters. You're going to want to get lots and lots of 5-star reviews. The more the better. Usually after you have 20 or 30 reviews, your profile starts to show up a lot better. The other thing you want to do is make sure you have all the right categories. So cleaners will be your primary category, but there's other subcategories that you might also qualify for too. Let's check out your competition to see their categories real quick. House cleaning service, that's another category that you might want to include. Commercial cleaning service, oh perfect. Carpet cleaning service, floor refinishing service, window cleaning service, all of these, take note of that. Those are all categories that you're going to want to add to your Google business listing. You might have them already, I couldn't really see. In order to be found for those different services. If you don't have those services listed, you won't be able to be found when somebody searches for those types of keywords. The other thing you need to do in order to rank your Google business listing is getting lots of citations. So citation, let me show you an example of what a citation is. So a citation is a directory. Anytime you get your business listed in a different directory, usually for your same industry or for your location, things like Yelp, Thumbtack, AngelList, HomeAdvisor, Groupon, etc. All of those kinds of websites, every time you get registered in them, it makes your business seem more credible and you'll rank higher in the map pack than everyone else, because you want to be number one, ideally at least top 3, so that you'll be found in all of the search results. Another couple of tips. So aside from having a great GMB profile that's ranking, you also want to build a website that also ranks on Google, because ideally, anytime somebody searches for any of the related keywords, you want to show up with an ad, you want to show up with a Google guaranteed, you want to show up with your GMB, and you want to show up with your website. And all of those together is going to create a huge lead machine for much work as you possibly could ever want. And so if you don't have money for ads, at least the least you could do is optimize your GMB and create an optimized website. Because once that is ranking, then you'll be bringing in leads every day without having to pay for ad spend. So how to rank a website. So if you actually want to use your website to bring in leads, you're not going to want to just buy the cheapest website on Fiverr. You're going to want to do a bit of research and get an SEO optimized one. So how Google works, just really briefly, it is a bot that goes on your website and reads all of the words and categorizes them and indexes them to figure out what keywords or what your website is about, so that it can better show it to the people who are searching for your services. So I think there's a national site. Let me show you an example. So for Green PA Commercial Cleaning Company, the #1 ranked person is this, VanguardCleaning.com. I'm going to put them in one of my SEO tools and see how they're ranking on Google. So these guys, they currently have 3.3 thousand organic traffic per month. They're a really large company and probably work in a lot of different areas. Yeah, Jacksonville. So that is a national company. Let's look at a local company. The person ranking in Fayette, this person, they're actually not ranking, but their map GMB was ranking. Let's check them out. Because this is awesome if you have a huge budget, but it's not really realistic to rank #1 for all of these different keywords in all these different cities. So let me show you what a more realistic one might look like. Let's see. MadePro, Care.com. Is this a local website? Let's check these guys out. So anyways, these are all the keywords that this website is ranking for. So they're ranking for their brand, which gets searched 80 times every month. But that's about it. They haven't done a very good job on their SEO. Let's check this one. Carpet cleaning, Washington, PA. Gets searched 40 times every month. It has almost no competition. So that means it's really, really easy to rank for. This guy is in the 4th position, and they're still bringing in a bit of traffic every month from it. Cleaning services, Washington, PA, gets searched 10 times a month. Carpet cleaning gets searched 40 times a month. So these guys have done a good job of on-page SEO. They have the right keywords that they're ranking for. They just haven't done a very good job of off-page SEO and actually ranking #1. So there's two parts. One part is getting the on-page SEO correct. That is getting all of the right keywords that you want to be ranking for in the content, having the right amount of content. Usually longer content is better. Usually I'll try to go for like 1,500 words on the homepage. That's why all these guys aren't ranking very well, because all these other local websites have almost no content. But yeah, you need a lot of content with specific keywords you're trying to rank for, and then you need your website to load quickly and a few other things. But after that, you'll need to start doing off-page SEO, which is a monthly service where you buy something called backlinks. What backlinks are, just put really simply, is it's your website being listed on another website, like another blog or another directory. Every time you get referenced on these other websites, it makes you seem like more of a credible source. People are quoting you, talking about you, etc. And so you'll rank higher for all the keywords that you're indexed for. So ideally, once you rank #1 for a bunch of different good keywords, then you won't have to pay for ads, and you'll be able to bring in lots of carpet cleaning jobs or commercial cleaning jobs, whatever other jobs are in your market. So yeah, that's the basics of SEO. Let me know if you have any other questions about anything. I'd be happy to point you in the right direction or help you with any of your SEO marketing. Thanks.